Okay, welcome to our geometry videos. This is regular geometry, unit 7, number 31. And so we're asked to look at these pairs of triangles and determine if they're similar or congruent based upon the information that we have. So, looking at the first one here, I can tell they're definitely not congruent, because if they were congruent, all the sides would be exactly the same. We have 6, 8, 9, and 6, 8, 9, which we don't, so obviously they're not congruent. Maybe they're similar though, so let's see. Well, if the 6 matched up with the 12, that means everything would have to be twice as big. So that means there should be 16 and an 18 side over here, but there isn't. So we know the 6 doesn't match up with 12. Maybe the 6 matches up with the 9, right? In that case, this triangle would be 3 halves as times as big, right? 9 divided by 6 is 3 halves. So if we multiply 9 times 3 halves, we end up getting 13.5, which is a check. And if we multiply 8 times 3 halves, is 12. So these triangles actually are similar. This triangle is 1.5 times as big. 6 times 1.5 is 9, 9 times 1.5 is 13.5, and 8 times 1.5 is 12. So at first glance, it may seem like, well, they're definitely not congruent, but at first glance, it also may seem like they're not similar, but once you match up the correct pieces, they actually are. In the second one, in the upper right, they are similar. I can tell because we have parallel lines, and parallel lines cut by a transversal means that corresponding angles are congruent. And these corresponding angles are congruent. And then those two triangles share this one here. So these two triangles, the small one and a large one, are definitely similar by angle similarity. I should probably rate this as side similarity. In the bottom left here, these are definitely not congruent, and they're also definitely not similar. We don't have enough information to match up. All we have is one right angle and one side. And it's not enough information for us to do anything. It's not enough for us to figure out another angle. It's not enough for us to figure out another side. It's not enough for us to match up similarity or congruence. So this one, we just don't know. In the bottom right here, well, it looks like could possibly be some congruence, right? Because this side is 9 and this side is 9. Let's just see if the angles match up now. So they're both isosceles triangles. So if this is 72, that's 72. And let's find out what this missing angle is. So 180 minus 72 minus 72. Well, this angle here is 36. And so this triangle, the vertex angle is 36 and the base angles both are 72. Right? 180 minus 36 divided by 2. So we have all the angles are the same, so definitely similar. And then one of the sides is exactly the same. So I'd say that this is a pretty obvious case of angle, side, angle congruence. So those two triangles are exactly the same. Okay, if you have any questions or comments about why any of those triangles are similar or not similar, or are congruent or not, or why they're not congruent, feel free to leave a question or comment. Otherwise, you're more than welcome to like, subscribe, or share our videos.